can't remember.
Ay, hello!
Kamusta man? Happy birthday, man!
Happy birthday! Nautang na mayo ang lawas ka ron.
Pabulion na po. Salamat.
Puhon na ta.
I swear.
Happy birthday, Col! Enjoy!
Happy birthday!
Can't imagine anything we
Hi.
missed.
Happy
Can't
birthday,
imagine
babe.
anything
Manghinaot
the
ni
two
nga
of
na
us
sa
can't
basong sa
do.
panglawas.
Through the
More birthdays to come.
You never let me
Happy birthday,
down.
Lonta.
Turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here
Happy
with you.
birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola Matt. We love you so much. We wish you a very good health always. And I hope that this will be your best birthday. God bless you all.
What I
Happy birthday, Tatay Matt. I love you.
trusted you.
Dun sa parang yung nagagatat po rin. Pag ano, yung po, sinagaban na po siya ng anim.
Hello po! Happy birthday po! Mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan at sana madami pong birthday na duman sa inyo.
More through the years, through all the good and bad.
Hello, good afternoon. I just would like to tell you happy birthday from Saudi Arabia, from Red Sea. Who's 90 here, we are together. Wish you all the best health and to be in a good condition. All the best and happy birthday.
Maligayang karawan po, Tay! Naway kay pagpalain ng Panginoon ng marami pang birthday. God bless po!
Happy birthday, Mr. Matranilio. Wishing you the best of the best coming ahead, inshallah. And we hope to see you here very soon. Enjoy your day.
Years when everything went wrong, together we were strong.
Happy birthday, Tito!
I know that I belong right here with
Happy
you.
birthday
Through the years,
Happy birthday
I
to
never
you.
had
Happy
a
birthday.
doubt.
Happy birthday to you. Very many happy returns of the day.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
By loving you through the years.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Mag-ingat palagi dyan. Alagaan mo yung katawan mo, huwag pabayaan. Huwag ka mag-alala sa akin dito, okay lang ako. Sana po maka-uwi din kami. Kasama ko sila Eros, sila Ivy. Si Manang na bahala sa'yo dyan. Ingat palagi dyan. Mahal ko kayo. Love you.
The sweetest days I found with you.